Welcome back, everyone. You know, one of the worst hurricanes to hit the United States hit us right here at home, Hurricane Harvey, and it caused billions of dollars in damages.
And the city of Rockport, which took the brunt of that storm, still rebuilding 2 years later. But thanks to a grant from the Texas A&M University system, the city's future now looking much stronger. Here's Chris 6 News anchor Priscilla Torres.
Homes destroyed, businesses and schools shut down indefinitely. For the last 2 years, Rockport has worked hard to bounce back after being hit by a Category 4 storm.
It's important for us to look at how we want our community to grow in the next 20 years, especially with that memory so fresh in our minds.
To help that growth, community planner for the city of Rockport, Amanda Torres, applied for a grant through the Texas A&M system. The grant, known as the Texas Target Communities Grant, offers the recipient a comprehensive plan for growth and development. Rockport was only one of 2 recipients.
They've been looking at land use, future development scenarios, and we've also had many partners in this process.
Since last summer, Texas A&M School of Law is working on Rockport's policy regarding drainage, while the American Planning Association looks at its downtown development. A&M Corpus Christi worked with students here at Rockport Fulton High School to talk about things they'd like to see in Rockport's future.
Things like movie theaters or more entertainment. They also wanted to see more economic development. They wanted to see more infrastructure, more businesses coming in while still trying to maintain and flourish their small town feel.
All this in hopes of making Rockport stronger and to withstand a natural disaster if one were to hit the area again.
So keeping those hazards in mind while planning for the future.
Priscilla Torres, Chris 6 News.
Now, that proposed plan will be presented in a public forum later on this week, and once city administrators and the city council have had a chance to review the plan, they will take a vote on it.